Three Rocks. Once upon a time, there were three small sisters living deep in a mountain. One day, when the three of them were playing by throwing stones from the top of the cliff to the valley, a stone hit the monster sleeping in the valley, and the monster woke up. The monster got angry about this and tried to catch the sisters and eat them, but the sisters hurried home. The sisters' father was a magician who used a magic wand. "Dad, Dad, help me. A big monster is attacking." The father who noticed the size of the thing. "He's a terrible monster, and no one can escape from him. I'll turn you into rocks with my magic. If it's a rock, he won't be able to eat it either. If the monster is gone, I'll put it back." When I said that, I turned my daughters into three big rocks in an instant with a magic wand. Soon, the monster came to the house. "Where are the three people who threw stones at me and woke me up? I'll eat it. I'm the father of my daughter. I'm sorry that my daughters interfered with you." "No, I won't forgive you. Where are you?" "I turned my daughters into a rock over there." My father pointed to the rock. "Then I'll eat you instead." When the monster said that, he ate it in one bite, and to make matters worse, the monster broke the cane. The three sisters can no longer return to human beings, and even now, the three still live in the rock as Three Sisters Rock. The end.